Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gangle from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a line across, and then a large U shape underneath. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the face. We'll start by drawing the eyes. We'll start in the center near the top and let's draw a curve up and over, and the same on the right. And then close off the bottom of each eye with another curve underneath. And then color both of the eyes in black. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up and over to the right. And then another curve underneath. And color the mouth in black as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the ribbon body. Let's start underneath the head on the left side and let's draw a curve down like this. And then starting from the same point, let's draw another curve next to it, but shorter. Now underneath this line, let's draw a curve over to the right, and another one underneath. And then close off the end with a curve. Now from the top right corner, let's curve it over on top. Now we're going to draw another piece of ribbon underneath in the same way, but make it a little bit shorter. So start underneath on the left and let's draw two curves. Then two curves over to the right. And close off the end. And again, a curve on top. Now let's add two more pieces of ribbon underneath in the same way, getting smaller as we go down. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left side and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and curve it out. And the same thing on the right. And now let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's close off the end of each side with a V shape inside. And lastly, inside, let's add a curve near the bottom here. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw a V shape down on both sides. Then for the ends, let's angle it down and out. Then for the ends, let's angle it back in. Then bring it out again slightly. And close off the ends. And that's it for Gangle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!